Welcome to the XXOTO Software tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the Design Center, a powerful tool for customizing and editing your data layouts. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to effectively use the Design Center to optimize your design workflow. Let's get started. The Design Center is divided into two main areas, the Data Editing area and the Canvas area. In the Data Editing area, you can edit the data using various features, as shown in our other feature-specific editing videos. On the left, you'll find the complete vehicle layout data, while the canvas displays the arranged layout of the entire vehicle. You can select specific data components you want to use from here. If there are any unnecessary parts, you will find them as alternate versions of the vehicle's components, such as badges or regional variations, or different ways to create a particular component's data for the same model. Now, let's move to the canvas area. The default canvas size is 1.52 meters by 15 meters. If you need to adjust the canvas size, refer to our canvas function tutorial for instructions. Remember, only the area inside the canvas in the Design Center is the final cutting area. You can directly select the data within the cutting canvas. If you decide not to cut certain elements, simply select the unwanted data and remove it from the canvas. Choose the components you wish to cut and move them to the canvas area. Precise placement isn't necessary, as you can use the layout function. After, click Refresh to update the design. Select the elements you want to arrange and use the super nesting feature to optimize the data layout within the canvas area and save materials. You can choose the time settings freely. Click Start to begin the process. Once the layout is complete, you can use the cutting function to start cutting. Congratulations! You have now learned how to use the Design Center effectively. Check out our other videos for more tips and advanced techniques with XXOTO software.